Samsung is going full Apple mode and it starts with One UI 8.5. Yes, you heard that right. Samsung is now blending its software and hardware just like Apple does. If you love the smooth and consistent design across iPhones, iPads, and Macs, Samsung is aiming to give you that same experience across Galaxy phones and One UI. Samsung is officially redesigning the way its devices look and feel. Starting with One UI 7 and the Galaxy S25 series, followed by One UI 8 on the new foldables, and now heading towards One UI 8.5 and the upcoming Galaxy S26 series. The goal is simple: make hardware and software look like one single masterpiece. And guess what? It's not just a vibe, it's confirmed. Samsung's top executive, Yang from the MX division, revealed that the same corner radius used in One UI icons is now being applied to the physical device curves. Basically, your phone and your software will feel like they were designed together from the start. With One UI 7, Samsung began this harmony. Even the quick panel and notification center were redesigned to match the Galaxy S25's physical shape. It's subtle, but it's there. And it's beautiful. The new foldables launched with One UI 8 still carry the same design direction. You'll see smoother curves, polished animations, and better app integration. Samsung is clearly making UX improvements a priority, not just flashy features. One UI 8.5 and Galaxy S26, the next big move. While Samsung didn't officially name drop One UI 8.5 or the Galaxy S26 in their design strategy, reliable sources have confirmed it. The Galaxy S26 will launch with One UI 8.5, and this harmony will get even tighter. Design-wise, don't expect a major makeover. Think of it more like a cleaner, more refined Galaxy S25 Ultra. But that's not all. One UI 8.5 is expected to bring better animations, refined visuals, and next-gen Galaxy AI features like multimodal input and predictive actions, making your phone even smarter and more productive. This shift is huge. Samsung isn't just dropping features randomly anymore. It's creating a seamless experience where hardware and software work together perfectly. If you've ever envied how Apple devices feel complete, Samsung's bringing that energy to the Galaxy ecosystem. So if you're excited about the future of Galaxy devices, hit that like button, subscribe for more Samsung updates, and drop a comment telling us which feature you're most hyped for in One UI 8.5 and the Galaxy S26. We'll keep you posted on every leak, every update, and every change. Samsung is changing the game. Don't miss it.